Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make an educational video with different methods. Today I am going to show you how to make an educational video with green screen, and I will show you what are the requirements to make such type of educational video. Let us start. We are going to the computer screen and can see how we are going to make this one. First of all, I have to go. We should have a free screen recorder. Here we have taken a free screen recorder. You can see the name of the screen recorder is PowerSoft and it is free. Now we will take this video is the ratio of 16:1. Now you can see that we are recording this, right? This screen of the computer, and I will show you how to make such type of educational video. First of all, I will tell you the requirements needed to make such type of educational video. You see here, first of all, we will switch on or we will start the green screen. Start the recording of this screen of the computer. Right? You see here, we are recording this one. You see here that we are getting now. You can see this is the screen of the computer. Now I already told you that we have some most important things we need to set up such type of setup to make an educational video. First of all, I will tell you the different hardware and software needed to make this type of educational video. You see here what are the important things you should know to make such type of videos. Now we are going here to treasure box. This is the subject, and we are taking one method, that is a background in solid color, right? Or you can take the teaching background also, right? Here we are taking the teaching background. Here you see we can show you what are the basic needs to do such type of educational video. Now I will tell you what are the basic needs to make such type of educational video. First I see that what we are taking, what are the basic needs. The needs can be divided into two parts. One we call it as hardware. Here you see I am writing that is hardware. What the basic hardware we need to make such type of educational video. This is hardware. And these are the various software we need to make such type of educational video. In hardware, first of all, what we need is a laptop or computer. Laptop or computer. Number two, what we need is a tripod. Number two we need is a tripod. Right? Number three, these are the basic hardware we need. You should have a mobile, or you can use the mobile as a, you need a mobile. This can be used as a webcam, right? Number four, what you need is a pen tab. These are the basic needs to make such type of educational video. First one is laptop or computer, tripod, mobile, pen tab. And then the fifth one, the most important thing is green screen. These are the basic things you have to take for making such type of educational video, right? And in software, what you can take? Number one, in software you can take a screen recorder. And here you need another thing, that is microphone in hardware. You need a microphone also. You have to attach the microphone with your mobile for capturing the sound. And what are the main software you need? This is a screen recorder. You need a screen recorder which will record the screen of this computer. And number two is a video editor. A video editor you need. Only then you can make such type of educational video, right? Here we will see in video editor we will use YTube Create, and you know that YTube Create is free. We don't have to spend money on this video editor, that is YTube Create, right? That means this much we need to make such type of educational video. Now I will show you how to make an educational video with such setup. I already told you the main setup are hardware, that is a laptop or a computer, a tripod, a mobile, pen tab, green screen and microphone. And for software only you need two things. One is green screen recorder and the another thing is video editor, and we use the video editor YTube Create. Then you see how to make an educational video with the help of this setup. Now you see here we will go to how we can make. First of all, you have to take the PDF of any class. Here I am going to show you that we have taken PDF of. Here we are going to the desktop site, and here you can see that we have taken many downloads here, and here you can see that we have taken the class 7 chapter 1, that is integer. First of all you have to download it, right? And now you can study, you can teach the chapter of integers in this way, right? You see here how you can teach this chapter, that is integer, with the help of pen tab and the help of screen recorder. Let us start. Here you see that we are starting teaching integers. Hello everyone, today we are going to start the chapters integers. First of all, we are going to introduction. We learned about whole numbers and integers in class 6. We know that integers form a bigger collection of numbers which contains whole numbers and negative numbers. What differences do you find between whole numbers and integers? In this chapter, we will study more about integers, their properties and operations. First of all, we will review and revise what we have done about integers in our previous classes. In this way, you can start, and these are the different methods to what we will do in this chapter. On a number line, when we add a positive integer, we move to the right. Add a negative integer, we move to the left. Subtract a positive integer, we move to the left. Subtract a negative integer, we move to the right. Right? These are the different methods to make addition of integers. Now I will show you how to take these are the different questions. How you can take these questions from here to the slide. That I will also show you how to take. For this, you have to go to normal. Here you have. Now we will take a new slide. You see, we have taken a new slide, that is slide number 2. Now, if you want to take a question from that from integers, what you will do? Go to that one. That is, I am going to the here, right? Now you have to cut this portion of this question from here, right? How it cut? From go here, and you can see here there is a snipping tool, right? Go to snipping tool, and whether you cut this, you take this question. Here you see we are taking the question, whole question from here, right? Here you see we have taken this question and cut this out, and it will go to there. Here you have to copy it, right? And then go to right, and here or you can also taken the screenshot, or you can cut it also with the help of these tools also, right? With the screenshot also, right? You can take the screenshot of this one. Let us take this one, or in this way you can take any question from one position to that of another, right? I am again showing you how to take, right? In snipping tool you can snip this one, snipping tool, and you see here we have copied this one, right? And we go to this one, normal here, normal mode, and you can paste that slide here, right? Or you can also go to treasure box, go to different tools or resources. From resources you can also take these mathematics, right? Suppose you go to resources, or you can add that resources here, and here you see that is integers class 7. You see here, here you see that we have taken this chapter, that is integers. You can see here, you see here, this is the chapter of integers, right? This is the chapter. If you have to add that one in this software named as Note 3, right? Here you can see, right? Or you can teach here also, right? Here you can see here that there are different tools here, integer. You can add many resources here and you can teach, right? In this way you have to make such type of educational videos, right? Here if you go to class 7 maths integers, you go here and you see this is the different, you see here these are the different slides we have made. For this one, what you have to do, go to here slideshow, and you see here that you will get this one, introduction. If you click here, you see that you will get introduction to natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Again you click and you will come another thing, integers on number line. Next one is absolute value, third number. Number 4 is how to add and subtract integers on number line. And next one is properties of addition and subtraction of integers. The next one is multiplication of integers. Next one is multiplication of a positive and negative integers. You see, now we define the natural numbers. We have made it from different slides, and you see this is natural numbers. We show the definition of natural numbers here. You see, natural numbers are part of the number system, including all positive integers from 1 to infinity. That means if we write it here as Here you see, natural numbers are also called counting numbers because they do not include 0 or negative integers. Right? The next one is whole number. The whole numbers are the numbers without fractions, and it is a collection of positive integers and 0. It is represented by the symbol W, and the set of numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. 0 as a whole represents nothing but a null value. Whole numbers, that is, it is represented by W, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. Next one. Next, here you see, you can take the classes also, or you can write here also with the help of pen tab. Here you see integers. An integer is a whole number, not a fraction number that can be positive, negative or 0. Examples of integers are -5, 1, 5, 8 and 7 and 3, 0, 4, 3. Examples of numbers that are not integers are -1.43, 13 by 4, 3.14, 0.09 and 5.6431. These are not integers, right? And the next one is, you see here, the next, if you click it, then another chapter will come. Here you see, integers or number line. Integers are set of positive and negative integers, including 0. Integers on a number line are defined as a pictorial representation of integers on number line. Integers on a number line help us to perform different arithmetic operations, right? Here you see, if we write the natural numbers in a number line, in the middle we can write it as 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the left side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. These are positive integers and these are negative integers, right? Integers on a number line. Here you see what are the rules to add integers. The following guidelines should be kept in mind when adding positive and negative integers. Add the two integers when both have a positive sign. When both integers have a negative sign, add them together and give a sum minus sign. Subtract and use the sign of the larger number if the sign of the two numbers differs. Now these are the different rules to subtract. The following guidelines should be kept in mind to know what to subtract integers steps. Subtract integers. When subtracting two integers with the same sign, we first take the absolute values, right? Number 2, if the two numbers are, we add common sign to the final result. A number's positive or absolute value is the number itself. The sign of the subtrahend changes when two numbers with different signs are subtracted. The result will be positive if both integers change to the positive integer and negative if they change to the negative integer. In this way, you can make different types of slides and you can add the different, you can take different classes, right? Here you can see, if you want to write something, then you can take a ballpoint here or highlighter. Here we are taking a felt tip pen, right? And it is red in color. If you want to write something here, you can write also. Let us take about, we are writing about integers. Here you see integers. You can write in the whatever you want to write here also with the help of pen tab. Here you are using the pen tab. Integers, right? Suppose we make a number line. If we want to add, that is +2 and +3 in a number line, we want to add these numbers. Then first of all we make a straight line. Give arrow on both sides. In the middle, this is 0, and the right side positive integers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Left side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. That is -1, -2, -3, -4, This is minus 5. On the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, how we will add the integers in a number line? First you see this is plus 2. That means from 0 to take up to 2 and give here an arrow, and in the bracket you write plus 2, right? Plus 2. And you see plus 3, that means from here you count 1, 2 and 3, right? That means the number line will be here, and you can write it here as plus 3. You see, this is plus 3, plus 3, right? And the answer you see, that is 5, and you can write the number line, the answer here, right? The value of this number is plus 5. You see here, this is plus 5. In this way, you can teach in the whatever you need with the help of a pen tab. Dear friends, in this way, you can make an educational video effectively. Not only that, with the help of video effect, your picture will be sent here, right? Your picture will be shown, your image of face will be shown here, and you can teach in this way. I will show you how to make such type of educational video. Now I am going back again, right? See, we are going back, and in this way you can make many such slides, and you can teach here also, right? If you take a blank slide, suppose this one, right? You can teach here as you like. You go to slideshow, right? And here you can teach whatever you like. Here you see there is a pen option. You see here, there is a pen. You take the pen tip or ball point as you like. Suppose ball pen you have taken, and if you want to write something here, you can write anything as you write like. That is welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel. You can write here, and your image of face will be at the corner at this section. But you have to remember that you cannot write within this section, you have to write besides this section, because your figure will be here, right? Your image will be here, and you can write anything on the board, right? You can change color also from here, right? Here you can change in color, you can change it to red, right? And you can write with the red also. Welcome to our channel. In this way, you can make an educational channel very effectively and can teach online. Now I'll show you. I told you how to make such type of educational videos, right? And I've already shown you what are the basic requirements. I can save it here, right? You can save this one also, right? And you see, in this way you can make, or you can take this blackboard and you can write here also whatever you like, right? Suppose you want to write here something. This is the software of, we have taken a software that his name is Note 3. I've already discussed about it, how to use this one, right? Here you see, you can teach here anything as you like, that is welcome to our channel also, right? Here you can write welcome to our channel. Or you can teach in this mode, right? I already told you that there are 3 modes in this software. One is teaching mode. Here you can see here, these are the different types of modes here. You can see that this mode is teaching mode, one is preparation mode, another is desktop mode. You can go to desktop also. Here you see, we are going to desktop. This is the desktop. You see here, if no, you can see here that cut out, and you see this is the desktop. You can teach anything in the desktop also. You see here, this is Note 3, right? If you want to go from one slide to another, you can take any sources from your computer also, right? In this way you can teach on these desktop method now also. You can write also here. You can see here that we take a pen here, right? Taking a pen, right? And take the color, suppose we are taking the color as white color, right? Now you can write here that welcome to our channel. That means you can shift from your slide to this desktop also. Welcome to our channel, and you can write whatever you like. In this method you can make a very effective educational video, right? I have shown you the different methods how to make an educational video with the help of this one, right? We have taken you have to take, again I am telling you what are the basic needs to make such type of educational video, right? We have taken a mobile, a tripod, laptop or computer, a pen tab and green screen. These are the basic hardware we need, and the basic software is we need a screen recorder, right? A screen recorder and a video editor like YouTube Create, right? And one board, that is we have taken the board or software as Note 3, or you can also take Teach Infinity, right? Here also you can take the Teach Infinity. You can see here, this is Teach Infinity. You can also take the Teach Infinity board, right? In this way you can write anything as you like. Now we came back to the again in our blackboard, right? This is our blackboard. That you see the writing is very illegible and you can see it very clearly, and the writing is clear and crisp. But before that you have to make a